How to connect JustMarkets to MetaTrader. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect JustMarkets to MT5, that is MetaTrader. So first, just head over to your MetaTrader application and make sure you are already logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just click on this account section. And when you click on this add trading account, you should see this page to find a broker. So now simply head over to search bar and just search in for just markets limited. So as you can see, I've already located it, so I'll simply tap on this. Now all you have to do is just log into your existing account using your login credentials like this, and just enter your password. Make sure that all of them are correct, and once you do all of that, just click on login and you should be successfully connecting JustMarkets to MetaTrader application. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.